Hello and good morning, my name is Ben. Welcome to the micro soldering show. Today at this beautiful, what do we have today? Wednesday. Okay, we start right here in the morning. This is Andy motherfucker, this is me Ben. And we start with that beautiful iPhone 7, which doesn't work anymore at all. We don't have a boot, we don't have charging, we don't have anything on this. And the customer needs the important data. So let's see if we can help. We have no power consumption. When we get it to the amp meter, I lost my screwdriver for the housing screws, so I have to use this old screwdriver, which I only normally use for getting out the SIM tray. I have to search later. At the moment it's really crazy here. It's early in the morning and at the moment we are just alone here. In some minutes the rest of the crew will come. David, Dennis and Ilya. And today about 12 o'clock Peter will come too, and we just need to build the first product of our product line. You see a lot of microscopes here behind me. A lot of microscopes everywhere, here, and we're just working like hell. Okay, let's see now. I just opened the device. I don't want to use your hands normally at the moment because often then the video starts lagging, but we try. Okay, let us try this. Just take out the screws. The device was already opened before because it was opened fast and the glue was not hard. Okay, let's see what we got here. Do we have a short? Or what up? Yes, we got a short. At VCC main, I think, because the power supply directly flows into the 5 amps, which I set it as max, as the limit. So get out the screen, get out the board and find the short fast. After some really long videos the last days, we had an iPhone 7 bot swap. We had another iPhone 7 CPU rebuild because of disconnected CPU yesterday, and we had 2 days ago a video for iPhone XS, and it was about 1 hour and 15 minutes I think, but I had to take it off because my PC fucked up and it was laggy and not synchron, so I couldn't use it. I already uploaded it to YouTube, but people didn't like it because it just was laggy. And me, I didn't like it too, so I just deleted it from YouTube. But the last days we had some advanced videos, so today back to the basics, finding a short on an iPhone 7 Plus. I show you I did show you this problem several times, but I try to give you one video a day, so sometimes things are just double content. So let's see by using the thermal cam. Today we have to clean the room, Andy. It's really bad here at the moment. Andy said today in the morning, it's so ugly, I don't like it, and I said yeah, don't like it too, but until we get our new rooms and our new place to stay will be some months, and then we will get a great place to stay with the company, all new great rooms. I can't wait for that, but I have to wait. So I hope the thermal starts on the iPhone. Just wait some seconds, and as soon as the app wants to start, we will check that. Okay, so you see more. Okay. What we see here on the bottom is the queue. We go to the upper board. Okay, let's get up the sticker on the bottom. We will renew it later. Okay, that here is only the queue. Let's see on the top field. And here we are. Do you see that? It's just great. I really like the SIG because when you use it in the right way, you can easily find shorts like that. You see? Only one cap on the top. It's the second in a row from the right. So let's get it out and repair that problem in a fast way. Okay. Here, and you don't see anything at this cap. It looks like all is nice. It doesn't look like a blown up cap or shorted cap. So now we just start by replacing this cap. And after that the phone will work fine again. I just have to take a look where I can find the cap. Here we are. And now let's just take it out. Okay, we got it out. That's nice. Nice and clean. Just a little shorted cap on VCC. Okay. And now just some flux. Or let's take a photo. It's not a big repair, but some stuff for social media is always nice. some flux, the new cap, and some hot air. That's all you need. Now, when I would use some preheat, it would work much better. I put it on the plate, but I don't put the plate on. So that's why we just have to wait a short time. Okay, the solder melts like you see. And it's done. Looks like never anybody worked on that phone. And now let's see if it works again or not. Let's connect. Wait a short time and boom! We are back to life again with our iPhone 7 Plus after just a little short on VDD main. So the phone didn't start anymore, doesn't want to charge, nothing works at all. And we just have to find the shorted cap. That's by using the SIG, it's just fast to find the short, get out the shorted cap, replace it, and bam, we are back to life again, baby. That's all. I think it was a short, nice video, only about 13 minutes, but I can't give you a 1 hour video a day. That's just, that would be just crazy. I hope you liked the video. If you want to learn things like that easily, you can do that at a board level repair school, Germany. And if you're working at the repair industry for smartphones and tablets, you can join our Facebook group, Smartphone Repair Group Germany, but please answer the questions, otherwise you won't be accepted. Over the night, again, about 10 or 15 people, no one answers the questions, so you can't get into the group. Please answer the questions, okay? Yeah, we see us with the next video. Andy and me just working now. I think the others will come in a minute. I'm out. We see us with the next one. Boom! Back to life again. Yours Ben.